Okay, we're in Prachuap, Khiri. We're in a little town. It's about 5-6 hours south of Bangkok on the ocean, so you can see some ocean straight ahead. And we're going to go around the town and kind of get you to see what it looks like in a driving Prachuap, Khiri, Thailand video. So I guess first thing we're gonna do is kind of follow the water a little bit, and to the left is a monkey park. So yeah, basically what I'm gonna do is kind of come along the coast at times, and also go into the town as well. And you'll get a feel for the city through the process. So all right, stay tuned for that. 2023, COVID is over, and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok. So stay tuned and check it all out. Okay, Prachuap, Khiri. So I think what I'm going to do to start is I'm going to get into the city. So we're kind of going, I could go a lot of different directions right here, to be honest. But we're going to go this way. And you can see some temples already. So we're basically right on the edge of the city. And the city has like a crescent bay kind of shape. So I think we're going to try to showcase that a little bit too, if we can. Monkey temple to the left, and there's some monkeys. You can see some right there. See those guys? There's a lot of them around that temple. Tons and tons of them. So yeah, actually that mountain to the right to the left, it's like it goes up into the ocean. Overlooks the whole city. Sorry. A lot of YouTubers will film that, so you can actually find that pretty easily. There's a ton more monkeys everywhere on the street. Pretty active monkeys too. So many right there. Look at all those monkeys. Wish I could zoom in on them a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna go into the city. The city is straight ahead, so we don't have to go very far. Prachuap, Khiri. A lot of monkeys around here. I'm surprised we don't see some that got ran over. All right, so there's a foreigner on a bike. Must live here long term. So this town is about 10,000 people. There's some Prachuap, Khiri for Provincial Hall. So what I'm going to do is just drive through the city a little bit, give you a little feel for it, and I'm also going to drive down by the coastline so you can see that as well. So first, one of my friends, he lives here, American guy. And he was telling me that there's, I think he'd call this street number 2. And then the next one over would be, he'd call it street number 3, because they're parallel to the beach. So there's one that's parallel to the beach that's on the beach. I guess he'd refer to that as 1. So yeah, this would be 2. This is like 1 over from the beach. So what I'm going to do is take a left in a little tiny bit. I just want to get into the city a little bit so you can at least see what we got here in Prachuap, Khiri. See some of the shops. They are kind of cool. A bunch of Thai girls going to school. It's Tuesday, so I guess that's about right. Tuesday, it's noon, so they're probably on their lunch break. So there's 3 of them all sharing the same scooter. Pretty small town. When I go towards the ocean, you'll get a feel for what grounds this particular city. It's the ocean, basically. So we're going to take a left in a moment. Yeah, I've been walking around a little bit. It's not so walkable. It's kind of is, but I think I can basically take a left pretty much anywhere here. So I think I'm going to do it at this green light here. Prachuap, Khiri, Thailand. I think this left might be a market. Let me just kind of poke my head around and see if we can drive through it or not. I think I cannot. Put a barricade on that one to block you, but there are people parking there. But I don't want to. You have to turn around if you go all the way down that one. So, and you got these big red and white barriers too. Anyways, I'm still behind the three girls, and there's right up ahead. There's the same girls on the scooter again. Oh no! Oh yeah, same. So let's try to sneak all the way across here. We'll take a left at the next one. So we started out where the monkeys were at. We're going to try to take a left here, see what happens here. Perfect. There's the ocean in the distance. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I like that artwork right there on the building. Can I go straight? I don't know if I can go straight or not. I can't quite see to the right well enough to see it's coming or not coming. I hope I can go straight. I don't know. There's a green. So anyways, there's the ocean right there. Yes. Now you can see it. See the cars park every direction. Alright, so we're just going to drive down this coastline a little bit and kind of give you a view of what this looks like on this main street number 1, I guess I'm going to call it, because it's kind of the beach road. I do have lots of other Prachuap Khiri videos as well. Probably ultimately I have about 10. And I think what I'll do is I'll just drive down a little bit so you can get a feel for what it looks like. I think you can see some of the ocean in there as well. If I had the camera turned the other way, you could probably see it better. But what I'll do is I'm gonna, looks like we're gonna come up, I think there's like a military base up here, if I remember right. It's a nice ship, right? So let me see. I guess what we're gonna do is turn. And then by default, I'm going to be going into the city again, and then I'm going to try to follow the water down again. And so we'll kind of try to do the video like that. So yeah, Prachuap Khiri driving video. So I think over here is going to be street number 3. The third one parallel to the beach, the ocean. So we'll drive down that one a little ways. pretty cool town though. If I see a stoplight, I think I'm going to take it all the way down to the ocean again, and then we can cross the street, cross the city again. We're kind of at the other peripheral side, not too far from the train tracks. Giant school here. Some kind of construction, so I keep seeing these little red things like this. Like, I don't know, maybe they're doing the crosswalks differently, where they're going to be bright red and they just doing it one half at a time, I guess, maybe. Which is kind of cool to do bright red crosswalks. It does make it a little easier for everyone to know that a pedestrian has that right across that way. Kind of cool, actually, if that's what they're doing, and it looks like it is. Go down this way because I want to try to go all the way down to the train station area where the train tracks are at. Then we'll come back to the ocean again. Let's see if let this guy go by me. Bunch of girls walking with their umbrellas. So all the way down is the train tracks. And I believe that goes to Hua Hin and Bangkok. And down to Chongpan, I believe is the next one down. So yeah, that directly ahead is the train tracks. I think I'm going to see if I can turn left if it's possible even. Kind of a miss. So anyways, this is where the train tracks are at, parallel with this street. And I think I could try to get directly to the station, but it maybe take a few minutes. But it's basically right there to the left. So instead what I'm going to do is try to take a road that goes directly down to the beach. And I think that'll give you a good grasp of the parameters. So a little bit of a driving Prachuap Khiri video for you. Kind of see how the roads work. Driving works. It's a nice town, actually. It's peaceful. People are really nice. Very nice, actually. Typical Thailand small town kind of thing. Let me just see. I hope that's not the market straight ahead that I couldn't go through before. It is. In that case, I might just go all the way down to the monkey temple. Okay, Prachuap Khiri. There's the monkey temple straight ahead. museum of Prachuap Khiri. Nice building, that yellow building right there. So yeah, I'm gonna go down to the monkey temple. There's some more girls on the bike. I wonder if it's the same or different ones. It's kind of cool though that you can drive right there, and that monkey temple is way up on the top. I think you can see it to the right, right? I think the view would be more clear when we get past. Okay, we're driving by to the monkey temple, and the camera overheated, and so I kind of did a little bit of driving, get it cooled off just enough to turn it on again, so that I could turn on this street and show you that the ocean is right there. And we're going to conclude it on this one, and I'm also going to do my last video, which is going to for Prachuap Khiri, which is going to be walking down this boardwalk. So let's show you this a little bit, and then we're going to do a walking one. Another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them. Oh,